चालू करवाना पहले चेक किया था वो अभी बंद है। हाँ मैं करवा दूँ, चेक करो ना ऑडियो आ रहा है नहीं आ रहा है, सब नहीं आ रहा है, कैमरे नहीं चलेगा शाम को भेजा था ना वहाँ से पावर ही नहीं है उसमें। क्या लगा चालू
चलेगी। I need you guys to make some noise. Can I hear you guys? थोड़ा यार एक जना उसका आवाज कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे जो इतने सारे लोग हैं कैमरा वैमरा के साथ, थोड़ा आवाज करो, थोड़ा सीटी बजाओ। I want you guys to make some noise, everybody. Let's do it true MTV style, ladies and gentlemen. Please welcome the amazing Sunny Leone and the brilliant Arjun Bijlani.
Don't wanna sleep in, cause I got something to prove. I gotta take what I hate and finally make a move. I think of you and all the shit you don't do. Well, I'ma make hella sure that I don't become you. I have no regrets, yeah, I'll tie up my chest. I'll never forget what it's like to be in debt. Been stabbed in the back bed, I'll show you what happens. Pass me the mic and I'll show you with action. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you could never own. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you could never own. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right and see life do what you want. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right and see life do what you want. So give me all the scars, I'm a human being. Cover them with tattoos so you can't see. Knew it from the start, you had problems with me and the things I could be, I just wish I had seen. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you could never own. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you could never own. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right and see life do what you want. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right and see life do what you want.
एक ही गाड़ी पे आओ,
गाड़ी बाजू में लगा
गाड़ी पे। सनी वेट सनी वेट। हाँ बस एक ही गाड़ी पे। हाँ आयो।
लाइट दो यार। अरे यार
इलेक्ट्रिक चेंज करने का टाइम ही नहीं है।
थैंक यू।
हनी
भाई बोलो कुछ।
अरे क्या हो रिकॉर्ड थोड़ी हो रहा है।
फोटो में भी बोलते हैं क्या?
हाँ हाँ सर फोटो ही बोलता है।
बट देखिए आप सबको अभी ऊपर भी तो आना है जल्दी। हाँ जी बिल्कुल आना है। तो कैसी लगी एंट्री भाई लोग? ऑसम, अमेजिंग राइट? सो दिस इज व्हाट स्प्लिट्सविला इज गोना बी। सीजन 14 मेरा पहला सीजन है एंड आई हैड अ ब्लास्ट। ऐसे ही माहौल था, बीच था, बहुत सारे स्प्लिट्सविलियंस थे। और सनी और क्या था?
बहुत सारा मस्ती, बहुत सारे लड़ाई, बहुत सारा प्यार
और
So
बहुत
many things.
सारा ड्रामा।
ड्रामा, so
यस,
much drama.
सीजन 14 बहुत सारा ड्रामा मिलेगा। बहुत एंटरटेनिंग सीजन रहा है मेरे लिए। लेकिन ये सब बातें हम ऊपर आके आपके पास करेंगे। फिलहाल वी जस्ट वांटेड टू कम एंड शो यू व्हाट स्प्लिट्सविला सीजन 14 इज ऑल अबाउट राइट ऑन द बीच एंड वी वांट टू कम बैक एंड meet you all there and have our one-on-ones and chat and have a lot of fun with you guys too. Thank you so much.
Thank you guys. We'll see you upstairs.
Thank you.
किसी को ride चाहिए?
सनी यो सोलो।
Awesome. मैं रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा आप सब अपने सीट्स पर बैठ जाए। हमारी जो बीच की जनता है, आप लोग भी ताली मार सकते हो। जरा ताली मारो इनके लिए। Give them a huge round of applause. जोरदार तालियां। Give it up once again. और मैं रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा, देखिए अर्जुन एंड सनी विल बी विद अस इन जस्ट अ बिट। मैं रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा आप प्लीज अपने सीट्स पर बैठ जाइए। प्लीज टेक योर सीट्स एवरीबॉडी। मैं रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा हमारे सारे जो मीडिया के फ्रेंड्स हैं, मैं रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा आप सब अपने सीट्स पर बैठ जाइए। प्लीज टेक योर सीट्स।
ए दादा ए वीडियो ओए
चेक। मैं रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा कम गाइस टेक योर सीट्स। मैं रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा जो हमारे मीडिया के दोस्त भी हैं प्लीज आके अपने सीट्स ले लीजिए। प्लीज टेक योर सीट्स एवरीबॉडी। Now ladies and gentlemen, before they join us up here, it's time to invite someone really special because MTV Splitsvilla, India's beloved dating reality show, is clearly all set to reignite the flavor of old school romance and love in the age of fast-paced modern dating. By the time Sunny and Arjun join us up here, let's hear from the man who runs the show, the young and dynamic leader. Make some noise. Arjun, since you're the first time host here, can you ask them to make some? Yeah.
I always stand on your left because you're always right, Sunny. जो भी सनी के साथ यूजुअली रहता है यही कहता है कि तुम सही हो मतलब तुम राइट हो। एंड थैंक यू फॉर इट्स लवली टर्न आउट। थैंक यू यार, आप लोग सब लोग आए। मेरा पहला सीजन है। आई एम रियली एक्साइटेड फॉर MTV Splitsvilla season 14 and it was absolutely amazing सनी के साथ होस्ट करना। it was a different experience. Usually जो मैं शो होस्ट करता हूँ they are very different and this was totally different. and lots of drama, lots of entertainment, and the Splits villains are absolutely crazy.
Crazy is an understatement. But yes, thank you all for coming tonight. It means a lot to us. And working with you was so much fun. हमने इतना मस्ती किया, इतना fun किया. It was great working together.
Thank you.
And yes, contestants बिल्कुल पागल है. They'll win you over. You'll like them. You'll hate them. You'll think they're crazy. But at the same time, you'll enjoy their journey just as much as हमने enjoy किया.
So, first of all, do you want to ask them to make some noise? Because I think when you ask them, they would really scream out loud because they're not.
Sunny
listening
को कौन
to me.
मना करेगा?
Exactly.
Sunny, you should ask them.
Guys, can we hear it? Can we hear some noise out there? Thoda sa better.
But you know what? So, Sunny, first of all, you're such a cracking performer. I've, met her a few times on stage, and she's unbelievable every time. And she and Splitsvilla are synonymous. It's beautiful. So, I want to know what is different this season.
Me.
Arjun, yes, he's definitely different. And he brings his own life experiences, his own personality and everything to the show, which is amazing. And then this year we have the Isle of Mars and the Isle of Venus. और हमने both boys and girls को separate किया इस season थोड़ा time के लिए. And I think that it's amazing because Splitsvilla में we've not seen how a bunch of girls thinks when they think about a boy or they think about that boy that's cute. वो बातें अभी तक इतने खुले से नहीं हुआ because we've kept Splitsvilla as one. So this year हमने थोड़ा सा separate किया, and even for the boys to know what they're thinking, how they feel about a girl. वो जो बातें होते हैं आपस में, I don't think would happen if they were all together. So that's very different.
So Sunny का कहने का मतलब ये है कि सब्र का फल मीठा होता है. तो थोड़ा-थोड़ा जो लड़के और लड़कियां थे उनको थोड़ा दूर रखा. तो जब भी वो थोड़ी देर के लिए मिलते थे तो उनको लगता था अरे वाह, they have to earn their chance to meet the girls, and the girls have to and the guys have to work really hard to meet
और
the girls.
इतना मेहनत किया.
और रात को सबको हम उनको अलग-अलग विला में भेज देते थे.
They're like, oh, but that is the fun of watching them. But I think इस time पे हमारे challenges में they worked extra hard क्योंकि उसको पता था या उनको पता था that they're going to be able to meet that girl or the boy or the rest of the villa, the Isle of Mars or the Isle of Venus.
That's amazing. That's absolutely brilliant. तो basically इस season में मसाला है, बहुत मसाला है.
बहुत ज़रूरत से ज़्यादा
like
मसाला है.
कम नहीं है.
And Arjun, you've got to tell us, first time hosting the show, what was the experience like?
This is a different experience for me altogether because usually when you're hosting, there are judges, there are contestants, and the responsibility and the job is very different. Here, I realized that it's a lot of responsibility to host this show because there are these youngsters, who've come together. They look up to you. You're their mentor also, and at the same time, you're guiding them through their journey in Splitsvilla. A lot of times things go out of hand, and you need to really take charge and keep things in control. So it was a completely different responsibility, and I feel that after being in the industry for 20 years now and being in one relationship for 20 years now, I think I'm the perfect choice for Splitsvilla.
You're the perfect mentor also. It's great. Please give them a huge round of applause. जोरदार तालियां.
Thank you.
जोरदार तालियां. So, you know what? I said, ये सब बातचीत तो होती रहेंगी, but I have a game for you guys. Do you guys want to do like a nice game right now? It'll be fun.
I'm so bad at this.
No, it'll be great. It'll be amazing, right? So, Sunny,
What's the game?
I'll tell you. But
Force कर रहा है. No, just kidding.
तो क्योंकि राइट साइड आपका है, आप राइट साइड ले लीजिए और आप लेफ्ट साइड ले लीजिए. ये चलिए, बैठ जाइए. नहीं, थोड़ा सा आपका चेयर थोड़ा सा हल्का सा ऐसे करना पड़ेगा, हल्का सा.
I played this when I got married at my reception with Daniel.
Okay, the game is never have I ever, and now things might
बड़ा खतरनाक गेम है यार ये, बड़ा खतरनाक है.
and things might get either very icy or very spicy. So, ladies and gentlemen, पहले तो अगर आप इनके जवाब सुनना चाहते हैं तो इनके लिए जरा जोरदार तालियां मारिए, जोर से, क्योंकि आपके तालियों के बिना ये गेम हो ही नहीं सकता है.
पक्का
ओए
उन्हें
यार,
नहीं
तू
सुनना
सबको
चाहते
तालियां मारने बोल रहा है,
they
तुझे
were
दिख नहीं
very-
रहा है, सबके हाथ में
हाँ।
फोन है, वो रिकॉर्ड कर रहे हैं, तालियां कैसे मारेंगे?
नहीं ये देखिए दिस गाय इज द स्मार्टेस्ट ये
ये
ट्राइपॉड
देखो,
लेके आया
ये
है।
अपना ट्राइपॉड लेकर आया है. वेरी गुड, आई एम प्राउड ऑफ यू.
Okay, are you ready? Some of these
दिल पे हाथ
questions.
रख.
Some of these questions are amazing. Right? Some quite lovely questions, by the way. Great, big ups to you guys. Great. All right, are you
अच्छा,
ready?
हमें एक साथ जवाब देना है?
हाँ, आप बस आपको बोलना है you have or you haven't. बस simple है. Okay. So,
Okay.
first question. Let's start with
आपका पोजीशन देखो.
Okay.
Okay.
let's start.
You're ready.
Have you done a full split?
It's like it's a race.
हाँ.
Have you done a full
Yeah.
split ever?
You're giving me lots
Your
of
first
attention.
question.
Who my full split? Oh, I've never done a full split.
You almost about to do it.
I'm not as fit as you, so I can't. But okay, first question. Are you ready? Are you guys ready? Never have I ever drunk dialed my ex.
No, naughty.
Okay.
You have?
No. एक वजह है वो एक्स क्यों है. So उसको क्यों कॉल करूं मैं?
फिर से गाली देने के लिए.
क्यों? मैं
Never-
गाली नहीं देती, मैं सिर्फ चली जाती हूँ.
हाँ.
Second question. Never have I ever been on a blind date. Ooh. Ooh. Okay.
अच्छा नहीं था.
कैसा था सनी बताना?
ठुस
फुस मत.
ठुस ठुस.
अच्छा ठूस, मैंने सुना फुस. ठूस और फुस में बहुत फर्क होता है यार.
I think I want that on a T-shirt now. That's brilliant. That's amazing. All right.
But what is the difference? What?
We will we'll
Is
talk
this
about that
You
after.
ask me. देख.
This is a non-veg question?
No. It's very much veg. Both thus and pus are very veg.
All right. Never have I ever kissed someone in public. Very nice. Talia. Very nice. Okay. Never
सम्मान नहीं, बीवी को. सम्मान मत बोल.
never have I ever stood up a date.
What? Can you repeat the question?
Stood up a date. Like have you left a date hanging? Such good children. Very nice. So nice.
You
so
can't
cute.
do that यार.
So cute.
हम थोड़ी स्प्लिट्स विला में कि डेट छोड़ के चले जाएं.
No, Splits Villa में सब लोग ऐसे एक जगह में locked है. वो जाएंगे नहीं. There's nobody else there.
All right. Next one. Never have I ever snooped through my date's phone. All right.
I know it's not a good habit, but
वजह दिया सो मैंने देख लिया और मैं ठीक थी.
तूने भी किया है
सही
तूने?
थी. जो मेरा सोच था वो ही हो रहा था.
हाँ.
क्या करूं?
तो वो ठुस निकला.
वो ही ठुस.
Never have I ever sent a racy text to the wrong person.
गलती हो गई. जल्दी से मैंने डिलीट भी किया.
Okay. Never have I ever had a one night stand. All right.
You haven't?
No.
अरे
What?
यार.
नहीं 4-5 बार मिल लेते हैं उसको वन नाइट स्टैंड नहीं बोलते ना. I'm just kidding.
I think you guys on this show are then going to redefine love only, like redefine everything. All right. Next one. Never have I ever fallen in love at first sight. Okay.
I have.
Okay. Never have I ever lied on a first date. And what was that lie? Since both have said it.
अगर वो ठुस वाला डेट था ना,
हाँ.
मैंने सारे लाइज बोले.
वो मतलब ऐसी चीजें कि वो पता लग जाएंगी ना दूसरों को, तो वो बतानी नहीं चाहिए. बट झूठ तो सभी बोलते हैं पहली डेट पे कभी कभी थोड़ा बहुत इंप्रेशन झाड़ने के लिए.
Very nice. So, anyway, last two questions. Never have I ever kissed more than one person in 24 hours. Whoever's written these questions, my God, wow.
I don't think I have. If I don't remember, sorry.
नहीं.
It's fine. Then we can deny it. It's okay.
अच्छा हो गया तूने 48 नहीं पूछा.
Okay, final question. Never have I ever said I love you on a first date.
लेकिन डैनियल ने बोला था.
So you can answer for him now. It's okay.
पी रहे
It's
थे.
fine. हाँ.
So maybe he thought it was
He met you and he
somebody
said he
else.
loves you?
On our
So
first
romantic.
date,
That
on
is
our
really
first date, he
romantic.
said, "I love you." Bye.
That's so cute. Please give them a huge round of applause, everybody. Huge round of applause. Thank
Oh
you so
man,
much.
thank God. पसीने छूट गए मेरे, देख ले भाई.
But questions
we-
अच्छे थे. Whatever,
questions-
whoever wrote the questions
I
was
know.
amazing.
Very
So
well researched.
before we continue with what we have next, and we have some really interesting segments next, I want to understand what is your idea of true love. आ जाइए थोड़ा आगे आ जाइए, वो clear हो जाएगा.
Sunny, go first.
I think my idea of true love is when you can be with your best friend. If you can marry your best friend. अगर आप दोस्त हैं, then वो दोस्ती में वो trust and love and respect कम टूटता है. शायद टूटेगा, but it's different when you can be friends with somebody forever versus just madly in love. I think it's a little different.
What about you?
Make it good. Your wife is watching.
Yeah.
Daniel Yan.
I think it's important. I think love is the most amazing feeling. Firstly, not only to receive it, but also to give it. I believe more in giving love than receiving love. I think I feel more happier that way. When I'm in love is when you're able to give love. Love comes in, love with over the time it keeps changing also in terms of when you're younger it's different, when you're a little older it's different, when it keeps changing. The companionship should be the same, but I think you become wiser, you understand each other better, and at different times I believe that love matters in little things. In the sense, कुछ बड़ा करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. Even if you're across the room and if you just look at each other and that one nod is love. I think love is found in the smallest of things, and it happens. And once it happens with anybody, it lasts forever.
Sir, one question. कहाँ से लाते हो इतना सब कुछ ये मतलब इतना?
ये हुआ है, वही जो हुआ है वो बता रहा हूँ.
It's amazing.
मैं लाता नहीं हूँ, ये हुआ.
It's brilliant, but you know what? Since it's your first time hosting also, I want to ask both of you questions, and if you think it's the other person, just point to the other person. It's fine. You can tell us very quickly. Who was the diva on set?
No, I'm just kidding. Maybe. I don't know.
How can I be the diva?
Why not?
You're Deva.
I'm the chava.
Who was the bully on set?
Who's a what?
Bully.
I'm not a bully. I am not a bully.
I'm saying, hey, who's it? I'm asking you.
Who was the one with the cheekiest jokes? Quickly, jaldi.
I think I'm pretty.
No, it was me.
Fine, it's it.
Who took the most time to dress up and get ready? And who was the one who got along best with the Splits villains?
I think we
I think,
both.
yeah,
That we both did. Yeah.
That's brilliant. I think I love their rapport, don't you think? Please give them a huge round of applause. Huge round of applause. There's another activity that we've nicely planned right now.
Like Splits
and
Villa
it's completely random. All right. Now I want you guys under your chairs, if you check. All right. Under your chairs, if you check, there could be a rose, and if you find a rose there, if you find a rose under your chair, I want you to come up. Because now we're going to see how the media, how the people in the audience can get a little creative.
Wow. Chalo, jaldi.
So, if you find that rose under your chair, there we have
The
one.
girls on the center table are not even trying. I don't know why. She already has a rose
If
in
you
her
have
hand.
the rose, come up. You need to come up if you
Okay.
find the rose. Aja. Sir left his camera, his everything just ran. my
Hello,
God, so
hello.
quickly.
How are
Brilliant.
you?
Come.
I know most of the faces. Hi. Hello, how are you?
So, very quickly, I'm going to pass a mic around to you guys. Okay, just introduce yourself, tell us where you're from and your name quickly. Okay? Oh, can we switch on the mic, please? Yeah.
Hi, this is Sana from Indian Express.
Okay. Sir, you can take her mic. It's fine. Yeah.
Hi, this is Akash Bhatnagar from Bollywood Bubble.
Okay.
Hi, good evening everyone. My name is Sonup. I have a YouTube channel called Bollywood Wala.
Fantastic.
Hi, I'm Pooja Navate. I'm from Awesome TV. Simply awesome.
Awesome. Please give them a huge round of applause because they're going to be amazing sports at what they do. And we have some props for you guys. The idea of the game is they have to get creative, okay, and use their best pickup lines and the props that we have on display for them. Can we have the props, please? Okay.
Oh, wow.
And you can choose the host you want to propose to or use your pickup line on, and you can then tell us.
मतलब obviously लड़कियां मुझे choose करें.
And what if a ladki wants to propose to me?
तो वो करे ना, मैंने कब मना किया?
Okay, fine.
तो मैं क्यों हूँ फिर यहाँ, सब उसी को propose कर?
No.
Okay.
मैं
Do you
तो कह
wanna
रहा
go
हूँ
first?
मुझे भी दे दो, मैं भी propose कर देता हूँ.
Do you want to go first? Who's using their pickup line first? Let's go.
Okay.
मैं तुम्हारे बीच में नहीं आना चाहता.
Sunny looking absolutely gorgeous. You know, you love Bollywood, I love Bollywood. My channel's name is Bollywood Bala, and there are two Bollywood superstars who absolutely respect and admire you. One is Shah Rukh Khan, and the other one is Amir Khan. So what I'm going to do is take a leaf out of the books of these two superstars and try and propose you in that way. One is Shah Rukh Khan, very poetic. तेरी आंखों की नमकीन मस्तियाँ,
Oh wow.
तेरी जुल्फों की लहराती अंगड़ाइयाँ, तेरी हंसी की बेपरवाह गुस्ताखियाँ नहीं भूलूंगा मैं, जब तक है जान, जब तक है जान, जब तक है जान. And now for the flamboyant Amir Khan. Sunny, can I have your hand? Sunny, मैं सिर्फ और सिर्फ तुमसे प्यार करता हूँ. मेरी हर सांस, हर धड़कन, हर पल में सिर्फ तुम ही हो Sunny, सिर्फ तुम ही हो. और मैं इस धरती पे इसलिए जन्मा हूँ ताकि मैं तुम्हारा हो सकूँ, और तुम इसलिए ताकि तुम मुझसे प्यार कर सको. और अगर आपके दिल से अगर पूछोगी तो आप जान लोगी जो भी मैं कह रहा हूँ सच कह रहा हूँ. Thank you.
So sweet.
Thank you.
Thank you.
बहुत स्वीट था, लेकिन अब रात हो चुकी है. Sunny is not available.
Thank you very much. And you could have also said, I'm Bollywood Wala, I'm searching for my Bollywood Wali. It's great. But please give a huge round of applause. Huge round of applause.
Really amazing. Seriously.
Great. Who's next?
Filmy.
Since you guys wanted us to be creative.
You're not using a prop? Without a prop?
No, I'll just use my mind
Ooh.
and be creative.
Oh wow.
Arjun, apologize if I forget anything. मिले जब हम तुम, तब से है रूहानियत लेफ्ट राइट लेफ्ट. आप चाहे हो डांस दीवाने, बट मेरी आशिकी तुमसे ही है. सो चाहे परदेश में हो मेरा दिल या आए नागिन, कभी नहीं होंगे हम स्प्लिट्स, बिकॉज इश्क में मर जावा.
Wow, यार. Those are all my show names.
You know,
which she she made such a beautiful proposal out of it. It is really amazing.
I'm bad at it, so I thought I'll be just be
But
creative.
it's a good thought, यार. इतना सारा कुछ मैंने कभी नहीं सोचा था ऐसा हो सकता है, लेकिन आपने बहुत ब्यूटीफुली किया. लेकिन एक रोज यार, एक टेडी मैं भी ले लेता, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं.
amazing. Sunny, you've just got to decide who's blushing harder. Is she or him? Anyway, next up. Come on.
Hi, Sunny. I am a very creative person when it comes to one-liners, and they are very cheesy. So I'll try one on you, and I'll use all the props in my lines. So here it goes. जिनके गाल हैं लाल like a rose, बोली मीठी like a chocolate, जिनकी personality है as cute as a teddy, and her smile is as fresh as a peony, वो है सबके दिल की मलिका, the hot, the happening, and the purest soul on earth, Sunny Leone.
Thank you.
क्या बात
That's
है.
for me. Thank you.
Brilliant. Please clap for him. Give him a huge round of applause. Next up, let's go.
Check. Okay, before I say something, Arjun, I just want to remind you that 5 साल पहले एक वैलेंटाइंस डे स्पेशल इंटरव्यू में आपके वैनिटी में आपने मुझे बताया था कि कैसे प्रपोज करना चाहिए, और मेरे लाइफ का पहला वो लड़का था जिसने घुटनों पर बैठकर मुझे प्रपोज किया था, और वो अर्जुन थे. और आज कोइंसिडेंटली 5 years लेटर मुझे ये टास्क दिया गया है. तो और मैं भी मेरे लाइफ में पहली बार किसी को ऐसे प्रपोज करने जा रही हूँ, तो आई थिंक हमारा कनेक्शन ऑलरेडी है.
Exactly, connection. I mean,
तो
MTV
मेरा
स्प्लिट्सविला में
पहले-
कनेक्शन बनते ही हैं. एंड मुझे
पहले
याद
से-
है वो दिन जब आपने